Hide and seek. Do you like to play hide and seek? Well, some insects, birds, and animals love to hide too. Some animals blend with their background to hide, like the snowy owl. It's as white as the snowy land in the Arctic where it lives. Since it hunts both during daytime and at night, this is extremely useful, both to hide from its prey and from the birds that may want to hunt it. The great horned owl, on the other hand, uses its tufts to hide. Tufts are a bunch of feathers on both sides of its head that look like its ears, though they are not. When it raises its tufts, they look like twigs or a part of the tree where they sit. The Arctic fox hides in a smart way too. In winters, it is as white as the snow around it. But in summer, knowing that it would just not work, turns brown in color. Thornbugs can actually hide by looking like thorns on plants and trees. They hide from birds and other big bugs that may want to snack on them, while they happily drink the sugary liquid that flows through plants. The reef stonefish hides in the sand and corals easily, as its body looks like it is made up of those. Poor little fish don't realize that it is waiting there till some of them get gobbled up suddenly. Some animals don't need to hide, as they just flock together and confuse their hunter. Take for example a zebra. When many zebras stand together, all the black and white stripes in their body forms a pattern that confuses a lion wanting to hunt, as he cannot understand where one zebra begins and where one ends. The lion is colorblind, so it is not the black and white of the color that confuses them. It is the wave-shaped stripes that have them fooled. As to the lion, the surrounding tall grass too looks the same. The tigers use their stripes and leopards use their spots to hide too. It becomes difficult to spot them sitting on trees or waiting in the shadows. Another guy who can hide well is a chameleon. He can make a few changes in his color to blend in with where he chooses to hide. But if he turns into some bright color, well, he wants to be found by a female. Isn't this an interesting game of hide and seek? Some insects who like to hide are the deadleaf butterfly, praying mantis, the lanternfly, and the stick insect. When insects, birds, and animals hide or blend with their surroundings, it is known as using camouflage. To blend in means to become almost the same as where you are. In simple words, it becomes easy not to be spotted. We humans sometimes need to use camouflage too. In a war, soldiers paint their faces, cover themselves and their weapons with branches and wear clothes in colors and patterns that help them blend with their surroundings. When people go on treks or safari for animal spotting, they avoid bright colors so that they don't scare away the animals. Even the forest officers who protect animals from poachers wear clothes that help them blend in with the surroundings. There are many animals, birds, and insects that use camouflage that you can find out about. So when you go to the park today, see how many insects, animals, or birds you can find to play hide and seek with.